If you're a fan of creamy keyboards, here's how 7 of my keyboards sound. This is the Keychron Q2, and you can now get it for $92 off Ash Keeps in my bio. This is my Fecker Galaxy 80 with the new WS palm switches. This one right here is the ACO 5075B Plus. The switches I'm using are Milky Yellow Pros. This is my Leobog High 75 with the Gateron EF Curry switches. This is the keyboard I'm giving away, the Ajaz AK820 with PE foam, tape mod, and Gateron smoothies. This one is the fan favorite, the Alla F75, completely stock. Last up is the ACO PC75B Plus Air with Milky Yellow Pros. Comment down below, out of all these creamy sounding keyboards, which one was your favorite? Let's talk about the newest creamy switch to hit the market. These are the WS Palm Plus switches, and since I already have the Fecker Galaxy 80 in purple, you already know I had to throw these in. This is a linear switch that is entirely made of palm, the top housing, bottom, and stem. The factory lubing is absolutely perfect. With a 50-gram bottom out force and 45-gram actuation force, I think this is one of the most perfect switches, especially if you're looking for that creamy sound with a little bit of a clap. These creamy switches sound like marbles hitting together, and I absolutely love it. You already know I got that link below. This is the Alla F75, the budget creamy keyboard that is 75% layout with a knob. Out of all my keyboards, this is the one keyboard that I don't really even want to mod because it's that good. With tri-mode connectivity, you can run wired, Bluetooth, or with a 2.4 dongle, gasket mounted structure which creates a bouncy and soft typing experience, and not to mention all the RGB options. This keyboard honestly sells itself, and for $100 I really don't see any other keyboard that can compete. The Reaper switches that come in this keyboard are absolutely amazing, and I have no intention to switch them out, so take a listen and tell me what you think. If you missed out on my other videos about this keyboard, I found you another store that's carrying the exact same model, black with the shine through keycaps, and hopefully he can keep it in stock.